being a fucking thug, doing drugs, yeah, all about that, what the fucking Ray does, Alright, let's start this shit off, one beat, one track. All I'm gonna do is I do da-da-da. Bitch, make that video long like my sack, and then I got a heart attack cause I'm fat. Bitches on my deck. Austin, where are you at? Hey, Austin, let's go eat McDonald's. Because that's what I do, BKs, we're gonna work in about 2 weeks. I'm repping for my team, I'm slitting down my throat, and I'm putting up this super coat, and then I gotta snort some coke. I'm gonna make it fast, I'm gonna rip. No, I'm not. I'm gonna get really blasted in my 99 bastard, in my 99 bastard. Look at my eyes and the motherfucking blood stains on the trolls jumping on the beats. Can't even understand me. Purple Ghost beats, but that's where I come from. I represent it, lighting up that lighter in the backseat, bitch. What I'm doing with that? I think it's hailing, or maybe it is snowing. It's making this beat go flowing like a fucking flowing, like a river going down a stream, bitch. I gotta represent my whole team, bitch. You punk ass trick, you mock ass bitch, you fucking motherfucker. Bitch, I flip my hair. I'm so fucking swavy. God damn it, I don't know what to do with the ladies. They're everywhere, now they ain't. I hang without maybe 19. Bitch, fucking stop this beat because I'm done rapping it. You suck. A motherfucker said, I set that shit up. I breathe real hard so I can understand my lyrics. Punk ass trick, barracks. I work at barracks. I never barracks. I work at barracks, and then I get the fucking beat going and I hear it, and then at the very end, and then I'm scared of it, and then the motherfucking stop it, knock up a bop it. Where's honey at peas would be a poppin'. Stop that shit. One more time. Stamp my foot, do a crime. Bitches on the prime time, sitting on the block, smoking on the rock. No, I ain't, cause I ain't got no glass pop. Bitch, what's up with my Twitch? Knock that shit off, I am a hard ass.